Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to unbox my new iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. So I just unboxed the 15 Pro in natural titanium yesterday. Super impressed, absolutely gorgeous phone. Let's see how the big phone looks. So opening this up, looking inside. So this is not a huge surprise for me because I saw this color yesterday, but I have to say I was really impressed. And probably the most impressive thing is how light it is. This is a Pro Max and it's not heavy. Well, I mean, it's a little bit heavy, but wow, so much lighter than before. So nice. And looking at what else is in the box, so no surprises here, I don't think. We've got our USB-C to USB-C cable. This seems like a high quality cable. It's braided now, which should make it a lot more durable. So that's great. But of course, we don't have any kind of a charging brick in here. You need to provide your own. So it should be something that's at least 20 watts. And then looking at what else we have here, we just have a SIM card removal tool and some regulatory stuff and oh, an Apple sticker. So checking out this big and beautiful phone, I think that the new natural titanium color is gorgeous, just like a beautiful dark silver color. And the phone itself is just wonderful, so lightweight, such a great hand feel. So we have these lovely rounded corners on here now, and they really improve the feel of the phone. So I'm not the kind of person that goes around with a naked iPhone. I always have my phone in a case because I am a case reviewer primarily. But if I were the kind of person that carried it around without a case, I would just be loving this because these are so nice and soft and rounded. And combined with the light weight of the phone, this is just a joy to hold. So, so nice. You also have such a nice transition here from the matte glass back here to the brushed titanium sides. Everything just looks very refined, very classy. Just a beautiful, beautiful phone. So comparing this size-wise with the 15 Pro, also in natural titanium here. So both of these are gorgeous phones. And just to give you an idea how they fit in the hand, so here's your 15 Pro Max and here's your 15 Pro. So definitely more phone here with the 15 Pro Max, but the fact that it's so much lighter weight really helps. And of course, the 15 Pro is also going to be a great option as well. I just think Apple has done a great job on its new Pro phones this year. So checking out our screen, this is pretty much the same as we had on the 14 Pro Max. So you've got the same ceramic shield technology, so this should be super tough. And then you also have the same Super Retina XDR display with adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hertz, the whole ProMotion thing. So that's going to be the same as it was last year. We also have the same dynamic island here, so you can keep track of live activities in the background and alerts and all that. I find that actually works very well. I use it all the time, so really glad that that is still here. And of course, we now have the action button here instead of the mute switch. So this works as a mute switch by default, but you can change it so that it can do various activities such as a flashlight, or it can open up your camera app, take a photo, etc. You can assign shortcuts to it. So there is a lot to love here about the new action button. The only issue I have with the action button is that when your phone is off, you can't tell whether it's on mute or not. So I always kind of liked looking at the mute switch on my older phones because you could easily see, even when your phone was off, that it was muted or not. And now you actually have to turn on the display to see that. So that is a small thing, but overall, I think that this should be a great addition to the phone. So just a lovely, lovely phone here. We've got our USB-C here. That is a fantastic improvement. Means one less cable to carry around. And speaking of cables, so this one does come with a USB-C cable, nice and braided and all that, but it doesn't come with a USB 3 cable that you're going to need to be able to take advantage of the super fast data transfer speeds that you're going to be able to get with the Pro phones. So in order to do that, you have to buy a new cable. But it's really great that you do have the ability to do that kind of a data transfer. So overall, definite win there. So I do think that this is just a lovely phone. Great feel in the hand. Love the brushed titanium sides. They still show fingerprints, but I think fewer fingerprints than the old stainless steel sides on the previous generation. And everything just looks fantastic here. So we have matte glass here on the back again. I think that's quite good against fingerprints. And then, of course, as far as our camera is concerned, we have this brand new 5x optical zoom camera. So that is going to be super exciting to try out. New Tetra Prism technology on that. Then we also have a lot of software improvements with the camera, so that's going to help improve your photos. The one that I'm most excited about is the fact that you no longer have to select portrait mode when you are taking a photo. So if you're taking a photo of a person, a cat, or a dog, the camera is going to automatically capture the depth information that's necessary to turn it into a portrait mode photo. So you can do that after you've already taken the photo. So I think that's fantastic. So when you take a really great photo and you say, oh darn, I wish I had turned on portrait mode, you can just do it after the fact. So that is a really cool feature. So overall, just a fantastic phone here. Obviously pricey, but I do think that we've got a lot of solid improvements this year with the 15 Pro Max and with the 15 Pro, and I am loving the natural titanium color. So do let me know in the comments what you think about the natural titanium, whether you think it's a great color for the phone or not, and whether you think the 15 Pro Max is the best size for you, or whether you think that the 15 Pro, with its smaller size, is going to be a better choice. And also do keep in mind that this is primarily a case review channel. So I've got a whole bunch of accessory reviews coming up for the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, cases, screen protectors, and the like. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Again, thanks so much for watching. This is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Have a wonderful day.